Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this little dog by Sound and Light, and I don't know how old he is. He's an animatronic dog, and when I got him I couldn't figure it out, but now I did. So let's watch what he does. Okay guys, I got him to work. Here he is. Ta-da! I don't know if he does it twice. Let's see. I think that's it, but it's pretty impressive. I think this is one of the cutest ones I've seen in a while. Sound and Light, Animatronics Company Limited. I don't know how old the dog is. He looks to be in excellent condition. No tears or anything. Let me see if there's... He's made in Shenzhen, China. Okay, so you guys, again, I'm just going to tell you again, he is from Sound and Light, and very, very cute dog. Takes 3 AAAs. There's something like the battery wasn't seated correctly, so you got to really make sure. I'm going to do it one more time for you. Here you go. So anyway, I think he's a really cute gift for Valentine's. It says, "Kiss me," and you just squeeze him. If you get him, you just squeeze his little foot. Usually there's a sticker on the foot that shows you where to do it, but that's where you do it anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.